Hi guys, it's DJ here from Cozy RC. We're going to run the mini mono again together with my son. We put the speed on 0 and we are going to run 3S first with the 2600 kV 28mm in-runner and a 36mm prop. So let's see. Ik ga het voor die eend. Ja. Gaat lekker joh. Okay, we got the first run finished. Let's check the temps. Motor is about 36, 37. LiPo is 45. Speed controller is about 43. The speed .57. Wow, new record on 3S. Nice. We got the speed zeroed out. We put the 4S in it. By the way, I slightly up-trimmed the trim tabs already for the first run. So let's see how the speed will be. Oh wow, we got a lot of water. The tape blew off. Let's see the speed, if we can get it out. .84. Wow, new record. Alright, that went pretty good on 4S. I think the receiver got a bit wet because the signal was a little bit bad. Let's see the speed, let's see the temperature. 29, 30, 26. Not bad. LiPo 28, 29. Speed controller 30. Alright. Let's check the speeds. 77. I'm back in the workshop and I just noticed that probably after the crash with the 4S setup I bent the propeller. So you can see the tip is bent pretty badly. That's probably also why I only got 77 kilometers an hour after the second outing on 4S. But I think I can bend it back because it's not cracked or not broken. So I will just bend back the tip and it should be good to go again. Yeah, pretty insane. 84 kilometers an hour. That's probably 52 or 53 miles an hour. With this small 20-inch or 50 centimeters mini mono. That's pretty good. Alright, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!